Zoli, what do you think of the results?
Yeah, it's all good, man.
Yeah.
Nice and clear, nice true colour, and I like the sparkle too.
Sparkles are good, right?
Yeah, it's all good, it's all good.
Yeah. So how is this different or better from what you were doing with your jewellery previously?
Oh, we also had to outsource a lot of the work. Right now, as soon as you make a piece, we can have it done and on net and on Instagram or any social media immediately. The waiting time's cut down, the cost is cut down, definitely makes up for the money spent on it.
Yeah, just quick,
yeah,
right?
yeah, very quick and handy.
You just want to get it done, upload onto your Insta. And
Yeah, straight away, content readily available.
Fantastic.
Nice and good.
What would you say to any like hip hop jewelers who are thinking about getting something like this, or if they're on the fence?
I'll definitely say get it as soon as possible. Really easy to use. Anyone could use this light box, and that is the beauty of it.
Fantastic. So you can find IceJewlz in Hatton Garden. So they specialize in hip hop jewelry, very high quality diamonds, golds, metals as well, and definitely one of our favorite jewelers in this area.
Thank you
nice
very
to
much.
meet you, mate.
Nice
awesome.
to meet you.
Thanks for having us here.
No.
And over here as well, we have a pendant and we've got a bit of blue tack on the base. So we'll have this sitting on the inside. Pieces. Zoli, what makes you guys so different from all the other hip hop jewelers on the market?
Oh well, we design all our stuff from scratch right here in store. So we've got a wide range of different pendants, you know, and we keep updated with the trends, and we also set our own, so we're a step above the rest.
Fantastic. So today we're going to take a few photos and videos of the jewelry here, and we're going to show you guys how to capture the best of iced out hip hop jewelry. So over here we have a beautiful iced out pendant, and I'm going to show you how to get a photograph and video of this pendant. So all we have to do is, we have it sitting on our necklace and earring stand. So place this on the inside. Close the front cover, and then on the phone we have our application ready to go on a smartphone. So what we'll do is we'll zoom in on the pendant, tap to focus, and then you can adjust the brightness to get a nice white background. Then you can take the photograph. If you want to do a video of the pendant, just switch over to the video camera. We'll do a 45-degree video of this one, so I have it moving back and forth. On the side we have our sparkle light turned on, so this will give you a nice sparkle effect on the pendant. So we'll tap to focus, adjust the brightness to get a nice white background. And we'll record. And over here as well, we have a pendant and we've got a bit of blue tack on the base. So we'll have this sitting on the inside.